Hey guys, this is Judy from Judita Nail Art. Welcome back to my channel, and today I have my weekly nail art tutorial video for you. Today I have a very quick but fun nail art tutorial for you, and this is again done through our Facebook stamping group, and the theme for this week is Eiffel Tower or anything kind of related to France or Paris. And I do have this cute little stamping plate from Maniology that I don't think I ever used, and it is perfect for this theme. So thank you so much for organizing this theme for us, and I do hope that you guys will enjoy my video today. If you do, then please don't forget to thumbs it up for me. And of course, if you're new here or coming from the other channels that joined into this collab, then welcome. And I do hope that you will like what you see on my channel. And if you do, then please hit the subscribe button before you leave. I will have all the links for you with the videos that were created for this collab in the description box, and at the end of my video you will also find all of the pictures. So I do hope you will enjoy it, and after you're done watching my video, please go over to the other channels and show them also some love. Alright, now let's jump into the tutorial itself. If you have any questions, comments, leave them for me in the comment section, and I will be back for you guys with some more soon. So keep watching the tutorial, and thank you so much for now. Bye bye.